I didn't know this story at all, and when I first heard it, I honestly thought it had to be exaggerated or twisted over time, because it doesn't follow the normal pattern of maritime disasters. There is no storm, no mayday call, no dramatic last message. Instead, this is the story of a strong steel yacht that disappeared on a calm night, within sight of Sydney, leaving behind no wreckage, no bodies, and no clear explanation. It is one of those cases where the more you look into it, the less comfortable it becomes. The vessel was called the Patanella, a 75-foot steel schooner built in Tasmania in the 1950s. It was not a lightweight pleasure craft or something fragile. This was a heavy, capable working vessel that had already proven itself over decades. It had operated in harsh southern waters, including Antarctic support work and commercial fishing, and had survived conditions far worse than anything it should have encountered on a routine coastal delivery. By the late 1980s, the boat had been refitted with updated navigation equipment and radar, making it a serious offshore vessel rather than something outdated or unreliable. In 1988, the Patanella had been purchased for a new purpose. The plan was to move it to North Queensland and operate it as a charter vessel around the Whitsundays. This was a delivery voyage, not an adventure or a risky expedition. It was supposed to be straightforward. On board were 4 people. The skipper, Ken Jones, was experienced and had thousands of sea miles behind him. His wife Noreen was also on board. The 2 younger crew members were John Blissett and Michael Calvin. There was nothing unusual about the crew or the plan.